If you have some difficulties or hardships in your lives, don't lose heart and don't be frightened from those problems. Because these hardships will make you stronger, and in this way, you can easily pass the other exams of your lives. With this message, let's move on to our channel where we will talk about different words, their meanings, and what are their sentences. You are hearing Saima Ismail, and let's move on to our lesson for today. First word is qualities. Its meaning is hobbiyan. Fatma has a lot of qualities. I will also translate this sentence as these sentences are for junior students or for smaller kids. Its meaning will be फातिमा में बहुत सी खूबियाँ हैं. Next word is describe. बयान करना. She will describe about this topic. वो इस अनवान के बारे में बयान करेगी. Imagine. तसव्वुर करना या फ़र्ज़ करना. Imagine you are a teacher. फ़र्ज़ करो कि आप एक उस्ताद हो. फ़र्ज़ करने में कोई हर्ज भी नहीं है बिकॉज टीचिंग इज़ अ वेरी गुड प्रोफेशन. टू वर्ड्स की तरफ. शी इज़ गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द कैट. वो बिल्ली की तरफ जा रही है. फॉरगिव. माफ़ करना. काइंडली फॉरगिव मी. मेहरबानी करके मुझे माफ़ कर दें. इस सेंटेंस के साथ एक और मैसेज कि दरगुजर की हैबिट जो है वो कल्टीवेट करनी चाहिए बिकॉज फॉरगिवनेस कैन सेव अ लॉट ऑफ रिलेशंस एंड टैकल अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स. This was the lesson for today. Please like and subscribe our channel because it will be a motivation for us and really boost up our stamina. Please take care of yourself till the next video. Allah Hafiz.